Hello to all scale modeler enthusiasts from all over the world. Let's do today a review of paint. And as you can see, it's the new sets of figure sets of ammo of MIG, and this one is the winter camouflage uniform set. As you can see, the box includes four bottles. So very nice and pleasant to work with paint. It's very forgiving and easy to mix up, but especially when you use the medium of ammo of MIG for the figures. There's a special medium, you can use it to thin down your paint, and it's actually a drying retarder. So you can see here the box and a bit explaining how to use. So guys, here this is the end result now. So you can see all colors are nice and going good together. So guys, if you like what you see, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care of yourselves there and stay safe. Bye.